Ready, Brian here for Quantlabs.net. Thought I'd put together a quick video here from a subscriber who took the Python course. He wanted to know this question. Hi, Brian. I'm halfway. Can you extend it to another couple of months when we take some courses in Udemy? Mostly the video course will be for lifetime. Not sure why your videos are limited time. Can you please extend a couple of months? Okay, no problem there. Done deal. The reason I do it, because people that pay a much higher premium price for courses outside of Udemy, and for me, if I was to be on Udemy, it's like being on Amazon. It's a highly disposable, low quality product usually. That's how it's deemed, unless it's some university professor or something, where people will still complain if it's only for $1. And I'm not interested in bringing in that kind of crowd. I like people that, honor the sort of content we do. We just had somebody, a referral last night, sign up. So that's the kind of crowd I'm after. The other reason why I don't put lifetime is because it's a way to force people to do the course, to actually take the course and actually implement the course. I'll gladly renew it, but if you're going to spend the money and you're not going to kind of like be really relaxed about it and not get it done within that time frame, usually it might take you a lot longer to finish it if you do it at all. And that's kind of valuable to me. So I should be able to shorten the course, but I don't. But I'll gladly extend it. But that's why I don't put out the course for life, because people won't do it. They won't value it. They won't value their purchase. And as a result, the quality of the content just drops because you bring in a totally different kind of crowd. Hopefully I'll answer your question. We shall talk to you later. Have a good day.